Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to Daily Discipline number 132. Rob Hoback here. That's Addison. That's Jack. I'm Rob. We're all happy that you're here. We know you can be doing something else with this time. We're honored that you chose to spend a few minutes with us. So let's start with our thank yous. All weekend, I had the kids all weekend, and I just watched Sissy take really good care of this guy. And I'm just so thankful. That you're here and you bring all that love and teach all of us about how we can love better. And then this guy, Jackaroo, we're thankful that he's been using his words, right?
Yes.
Yep, he's using a lot more words. He gets a little bit better every day. Don't you, Bubba?
Because he mostly says words like, sometimes he says like night one day and then he says night other day.
Sometimes he says eat, sometimes he says drink, sometimes he says milk, all kinds of stuff. So good job, Bubba.
When he's watching PJ Masks, he can say master.
Oh, nice.
Because from Romeo, he has that machine.
All right, well, let's just keep going. All right, so thank you for Sissy being so loving and Jack's words. Everything's good. And just thankful for our life. We got a great life. This day in history, in 1964, Cassius Clay beat Sonny Liston, big underdog. For those of you who don't know, Cassius Clay became Muhammad Ali, and at one point was probably one of the most hated men in America because we weren't used to powerful black men speaking up. And I can remember some racist conversations that I overheard as a kid about Muhammad Ali and thinking, this just doesn't seem right. Anyway, thankful that we don't live in that day and time anymore. And then the last thing is just, with some things that happened over the weekend and where I'm at with my meditation, where I'm going through this radical forgiveness and I'm just looking at the universe as a whole and just being thankful. Just focusing on those three things. Did it this morning, did it yesterday. There's a couple examples of that. Number one, yesterday, flipping through the NASCAR race, a guy by the name of Brad Keselowski was racing, and he's a pretty public figure, and he was talking about how he had the stomach flu all week. He wasn't sure whether he was going to be able to drive. Well, I watched it yesterday for just like a few minutes. I had it on, and he was doing really well, and I thought to myself, it's kind of like Michael Jordan getting sick in the playoffs, right? That when these world-class athletes decide that they need to goodness gracious, when they put their mind to something, they can rise above a physical ailment and just persevere. Well, we can do the same thing. They've just mastered up. They've leveled up with, being able to control their emotions and their mind. The other thing is there's a storyline out in the NFL right now about an owner that's just in an unfortunate situation. But regardless of whether it's unfortunate and all of that stuff, it's still a situation. And I just, it's like this mindset of the universe doesn't need any of us to keep things settled. It'll take care of things on its own. And, I don't know what's behind all that, why any of that happened. It just did. And it's here. And it'll be interesting to see how everybody reacts. So in my mind, I was able to tie together and be like, hey, don't worry about holding other people accountable when they've done something. That's not my place. I focus on me. I focus on the people that are important to me. Make sure everybody else is taken care of. Make sure we're all taken care of. Everything else will take care of itself. Right, Sissy? Our job, we're not the judge. We're not the jury. We're not the executioner. We're responsible for us. That's all we can do, right? Everybody's real lively up in here this morning. Hands up, peace out. We are better together. So happy you joined us. We will see you all tomorrow. Have a great day. Say goodbye. Jackie, say bye-bye. No.